refers to the movement of pairs.
Okay.
Pairs that move together. The movement together could be positive or negative.
Okay.
Now, the positive movement, it's when you have two pairs flowing in the same direction at the same time. Like we have AUD USD, NZD USD. Those two pairs, they flow together.
Yeah.
So as you can see, even from the structure, now this is NZD USD. Just make a mental note of it. You see how it came here, pushed up, came back down. And now look at AUD USD. See how similar they look?
Okay.
So if you have one moving in one direction, be rest assured that the other one can be moving in the same direction too. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So let me type it out. So we have a positive correlation. These are pairs that flow together. So positive will be
Plus.
AUD,
Okay.
USD, NZD, USD. These flow together. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So if you have a buy here, expect a buy here. So it's something that you can take advantage of, like I mentioned earlier. So instead of a comma here, let me put and, so that it's clearer. And then we have gold and silver. Gold and silver, they flow positively together.
Okay.
With me, if you're getting a buy here, you're getting a buy. If you're getting a sell here, you're getting a sell here. So if you have an opportunity for 100 pips on gold, be sure you are also going to be getting something similar on silver. So you can kill two birds at the same time. Same thing here. Then we also have another pair or set of pairs that flow together. We have Euro AUD, and Euro NZD. Now, one thing you need to understand, these moves may not happen immediately. After one move, it may take a little while for the other one to follow. Okay. But looking at structure, you will see that the move is there just about the time. So they flow together, sometimes immediately, sometimes one follows the other one after some time has passed. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
And then we have right here, I will add GBP-NZD and GBP-AUD. So I'll do this now. So
Okay.
let's saw pairs flow together. Positive correlation. And then we have the negative correlation. Now, what this simply means is this. If one is moving in one direction, the other one is moving in another direction.
Yeah.
Am I making sense?
Yes.
We have USD card and Euro USD.
Okay.
We also have Euro AUD and AUD USD. Negative correlation. So if Euro AUD is buying, expect this man to be selling. Same thing here. If USD card is buying, Euro USD should be selling.
Okay.
So this again is an extra confirmation for you. If you're marking up your charts and after your analysis, you see a possible buy on U card, automatically when you go to Euro USD, you should see a sell setup from a structure. Of course, you're not automatically thinking because this is buying, this should be selling. No, let structure confirm what you're thinking. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
If there is no confirmation, there is no entry. Because sometimes they can move in the same direction when there is some crazy market movement. But on a normal market circumstance or market condition, they move opposite. So basically, the positive pairs and the negative pairs, they flow opposite. So what I mean is AUD USD, remember it has AUD at the left-hand side.
Yeah.
And Euro AUD have AUD at the right-hand side. So they go negative.
Okay.
How about Euro NZD and NZD USD? What do you think from what I just explained?
Euro SDP.
Here.
Yeah.
How do you
if
those two?
Yeah. Your question now is if they go hand in hand.
Yes. How do you think they flow? Do they go hand in hand or they go opposite each other?
I think they will go opposite.
Why?
That's because with the explanation here, I've observed that USD and then Euro doesn't really go hand in hand.
Okay, good.
And
okay, go ahead.
And then since both of them, like Euro and USD, they are dealing with one same market. So if one is buying, one must be selling.
Good point. Okay. Now there's one pair that appears in both of them, but in different positions. Look at it very well. It has one pair on both sides.
Yeah, that's Euro, no. I don't know. Okay, is it Euro Australia?
Just look at what I just did